In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Luminar Neo. By the end, you'll be able to reframe any image quickly and cleanly, whether you want an instant AI suggestion or full manual control. Start by opening your photo in Luminar Neo. You can import it into your catalog or simply open the image you want to work on. Once it's on screen, move into the editing workspace. Click Edit at the top, then look for Crop AI near the top of the Tools panel. If you prefer shortcuts, press C on your keyboard to jump straight to the crop tool. Now decide how you want to crop. For a fast result, choose the automatic option. Click Composition AI or Crop AI, and Luminar will analyze your image and suggest a strong framing based on subject and balance. This is great when you want a polished look in seconds. You can accept it as is or use it as a starting point and make small adjustments afterward. If you want full control, use the manual crop. Drag the corners or edges of the crop box to set your frame. To reposition, click and drag the image inside the box until your subject sits exactly where you want it. To rotate, hover just outside a corner until you see the rotate cursor, then drag to gently tilt the image. If you need a specific size, choose an aspect ratio. You'll see presets like Original, Free for a custom shape, 1:1 for a perfect square, and popular formats such as 16:9 or 4:5. Pick what suits your goal. Square for Instagram grids, 4:5 for portrait posts, 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails or widescreen displays, or stay with Original to preserve your camera's ratio. To correct a tilted horizon or leaning lines, use horizon alignment to straighten the image automatically or with a slider. You can also use the rotate or flip buttons if you need to adjust orientation. As you work, pay attention to the grid overlay. It's a helpful guide for composition, especially the rule of thirds. When you're satisfied, apply the crop by clicking Done or the checkmark. If you switch to another tool, the crop is applied automatically, so there's no need to redo your framing. A few pro tips to keep your workflow smooth. Crop early, before heavy editing, so you're not processing pixels you won't keep. Use the grid to balance your composition, placing key elements along intersections or keeping the subject centered when that feels stronger. Leave a bit of breathing room around your subject to avoid cramped edges and aim for a clean, intentional frame.